Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we have a fantastic find for you, the Pipistrelle Coat Rack. If you're in need of a sturdy and stylish coat rack, look no further because this is the best coat rack available. Stick around as we delve into all the features and benefits of this fantastic piece of furniture. The Pipistrelle Coat Rack is a versatile and practical addition to any home, office, or entryway. It's designed to keep your space organized while adding a touch of elegance. Let's dive into the details. You can customize the rack's height to 39.8, 54.3, or 68.9 inches, making it suitable for toddlers, kids, or adults. Crafted from high-quality, solid wood, it's built to last and won't wobble. The large triangular base provides excellent stability. With 8 storage hooks, you'll have plenty of room for clothing, bags, hats, umbrellas, and more. No need for tools. Assembling this coat rack is a breeze. Just tighten the rack column and hooks using the threaded inserts. The polished rods and rack hooks won't catch or snag on your clothing. Plus, it adds a sleek and elegant touch to any room. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, so international customers may need an adapter or converter. The Pipistrelle Coat Rack is currently priced at just $26.99, and there's even a $3 coupon available for extra savings. That wraps your poor review of the Pipistrelle Coat Rack, the best coat rack on the market. If you're looking to keep your space tidy, organized, and stylish, this is the perfect addition to your home or office. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. We'll see you next time with more fantastic product reviews.